Hey everybody, Jeff here and welcome back to the channel. So today we have some interesting deals of the day, online only, at both Lowe's and at Home Depot. So what we're going to do is start off showing you what we have here at Lowe's. So here's some of their deals here, and I believe this is all they've got. It's just this group right here. So I want to start off with this DeWalt kit. Alright, so we're looking here at the 7-tool combo kit. So this comes with the case, and you get the 2 batteries. Now, what I want to know is they look kind of small. I don't know if they're 1.5 or 2 amp hour batteries. Let's see what we have. Let me see the drill. And remember, this is not a hammer drill. This is just a drill driver that's in there. It's the 780, the DCD 780. So it's one of the lower end models of drill. And their DCF 885 is also a lower end model from the normal DCF 887 that we've been showing you in a number of the kits that have been really well priced lately. And you should definitely check out our videos tab to see our latest tours of Lowe's and of Home Depot, and particularly Lowe's, where we've been showing you some unbelievable deals on some of the other DeWalt combo kits. One of the kits is $175 off of one kit, and the other kit, the 3-tool woodworking kit from DeWalt, is also priced at $100 off. So you definitely want to check out those other videos that we uploaded in the last few weeks there that show you that savings. Alright, so let's see what we're getting for the battery in this kit. Batteries. Yeah, they're not even telling us, but yeah, usually when they don't tell you, and I can't even read it looking at the picture, but usually when they don't tell you, it means it's like 1.5. But anyway, so there's your deal. This one's 41% off, and so it ends today. You have to get this online only. Now it says free store pickup, so who knows, but you probably have to order it online and then pick it up in the store. Not sure. Okay, so now we come over to Home Depot, and there's not really a whole lot of impressive savings here. When I look at some of these kits and I see like 10% or 20% off, those kinds of things, that's just ho-hum to me. I want to see more than that. So really not a whole lot there. Although this kit from DeWalt here, it says it's only 13% off, but at $199, of course, keep in mind these are atomics. You're getting, let's see if they're giving you the 2 batteries. Yeah, you're getting 2 of the 1.3 amp hour batteries with this. Okay, but remember, you're just getting the compact drill and the impact driver. So this is not a hammer drill if you were looking for a hammer drill. And let me see anything else that comes in that kit other than the bag and the charger. They did not really take off a whole lot off of that kit. And same here, you got the Milwaukee M18. That's a 16-tool kit, only 20% off. So feel free to browse around and see what you like in here. They start to get interesting down here, because here what they're doing is you're saving 44% on this DeWalt kit. There's 3 of them in a row here that are very similar. You get the normal kit that you would normally pay. What they're doing is they're adding in as a bonus for you the saw and the extra battery. So let's check out which saw they are putting in here. Okay. So they're giving us, and let me see, does that have the brake? See, this circ saw does not have the electric brake. Personally, I wouldn't buy a saw that doesn't have the brake on it. So let's go see how much this so he's $129 if you were to buy him bare tool. So, yeah, you're getting a decent deal on this. But just my particular opinion on this, I don't like that saw. Now, we don't know how long it takes for the blade to come to a standstill, but I'm spoiled having my DCS 575. That thing the second you take your finger off the trigger, it's already stopped. It's amazing. Okay, what else have we got? Now this one is a decent deal right here, because if you look at this, you're paying $129 for a charger and a battery kit, and they're throwing in what looks like that same saw. Let me see if it's the same saw. Yeah, the 391B. So the saw alone is worth $129 on its own. So that's a reasonably decent deal. And let me see how much they're saying we're getting off on this one. Yeah, 41%. Okay. What else have we got here? 29%. Is that the atomic? And sorry for the vibration noise in the background if you can hear it. They're actually pressure cleaning the roof today, and there's no way around it. Okay, so we see these deals quite a bit, where you get the miter saw and they'll throw in the saw stand. So let's take a look at both of these two individually and see what they add up to if you were to buy them bare bones. Okay, so if you were to pull up yeah, normally I see these all the time for $199 in both Lowe's and in Home Depot. So the miter saw stand alone is worth $199. And let's go check out which exact model of miter saw this is. And by the way, keep in mind, this is a single bevel miter saw. So this might prevent many of you from wanting to buy it. I won't buy another single bevel miter saw. I will only deal with a double bevel. If you're ever cutting crown molding or baseboard, you got to have you must have that double bevel. Your life's going to be pure hell, constantly spinning and flipping around the baseboards and not always getting the cut from the surface side that you want. All right, so let's see what the saw is that they're giving us. Oh, the 715. The DWS 715 is the saw. Let's see how much that normally is. Yeah, so $239. So this kit is probably worth, well, I calculate about $439. They're saying here that the original price between the two is about $412. All right, so to get it for $309 is a reasonably decent price. You're saving $100, 25% off on this deal. And I don't really want to spend a whole lot of time. Some of these others are just sold out. We do have the planer deal back again. They did this deal a few weeks ago, and I always have people asking me, hey Jeff, when are they going to do a planer deal? You know, we never see it in store. I just haven't seen a planer marked down in store since, heck, I can even remember, because these are such an esoteric tool and probably low demand, and so they try to maximize their profit on it. So this one, they're saying they're saving you $230. According to them, they normally charge $849, but you know, I'm just not sure. Yeah, it's possible. Let me see what the planer goes for by itself. Okay, so here's their planer stand right here. Is normally $144. And I think this planer by itself, let me get the planer model here, 735. This planer itself is normally $600 anyway. So that's what I don't understand, is why are they charging or claiming that it's $800? And that's what doesn't make sense. And I think we went through this the last time this came up, as to why are they charging that much. And I think some people had come back and said, well, the picture's not showing, but it comes with this, this, and this, and this. That's normally extra, but I'm not seeing it on here. So anyway, those of you that know this kit a lot better than I do will probably know if this really is a good deal or not. Okay, so here's some of the videos we uploaded in the last few days that I told you about. You definitely got to go check these out, because here we've been showing you a number of deals on Lowe's that when you're looking at them online, just shopping around, they're showing you full price. But when you go into the store, you're seeing closeout clearance prices of 65% off here, 55% off on other tools. And then we did the tour of what's starting to see some of the Christmas, what I call the stocking stuffer aisle or the gift zone. And we did that, and we uploaded this one in 4K video for you. You got to check this one out. It shows you some really, really good deals that some people have already told me they've bought already, and some have not been able to even see it in their store yet, but at least you'll know it's coming. And then here's that DeWalt hammer drill kit that we told you about that you're saving $175 off of. So you make sure you want to check that one out too. And then the woodworking kit is right back here. We told you about this one. This one's $100 off right now at Lowe's, but they're hard to find, so you have to watch these two videos where we show you how to go into the stores and find them. So make sure you come back and binge watch some of these other videos that we've uploaded for you. And if you like this video so far, if you found this informational, hey, would you do us a favor and give us a thumbs up down below? That tells us that you like us. And man, look, if you're not subscribed to us, look at all of these different videos that we put up for you all the time. And lots of great videos on remodeling your homes and your kitchens and your bathrooms and tiling and engineering disasters like we showed you here the other day with this plumbing fail. So make sure, if you're not subscribed, that you click on that subscribe button and click the little gray bell icon next to it. That will tell YouTube to alert you whenever we upload a new video. Well, that's it for this one, folks. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you on the next one.